Okay, now what we're doing on the Unimodel 1/72 scale T34 1940 version is I had printed out a 3D printed interior. I'm now, after painting it with the basic colors, I'm now installing it. I'm using a black flexible super glue, and we're going to press this into place here. And once that's in place and dried, I'll add the escape hatch to the 3D printed interior. I'm also going to add 3D printed 76mm shells in the open ammo boxes and scatter a few around the floor, as this will be in a dusk, early nighttime diorama with interior lighting. So basically it'll be after combat occurred, and then they will be doing some maintenance on the tank. So in the diorama, you'll be able to see down through the turret and through the front driver's hatch, the interior and also the ammo boxes.